Today we'll be exploring the various research methods used in psychology. These methods are fundamental tools that allow us to investigate human behavior and mental processes, each providing unique insights and serving different research purposes. Let's begin with experimental research. This method involves manipulating one or more independent variables to observe their effect on a dependent variable. The hallmark of experimental research is its ability to establish cause and effect relationships through control and randomization. Primarily a quantitative approach, experimental research relies heavily on statistical analysis to determine causality. It's the backbone of psychological science when it comes to testing hypotheses under controlled conditions. Next, we have descriptive research, which aims to systematically describe a phenomenon or population. This method provides detailed accounts, but does not establish causal links. Observational studies involve watching subjects in their natural environment without interference. Observational studies can be overt, where subjects know they're being observed, or covert, where they do not. They can be both qualitative and quantitative, depending on whether observations are coded numerically. Case studies are in-depth examinations of an individual, group, or event. They offer rich, detailed insights into complex issues, primarily qualitative in nature, though they can include quantitative data as well. Surveys and interviews are tools to collect data from many respondents using questionnaires or interviews. They are quantitative when structured questions with numerical data are used, and qualitative when open-ended questions are employed. Correlational research examines the relationship between two or more variables to determine if they are associated. While it identifies patterns or trends, it does not establish causation. This is a primarily quantitative method, utilizing statistical techniques to analyze the strength and direction of relationships between variables. Longitudinal studies involve repeated observations of the same variables over an extended period. These studies are crucial for tracking changes and developments in the subjects being studied, often quantitative, as they involve systematic data collection over time. They can also include qualitative aspects if the focus is on narrative changes or experiences. Cross-sectional studies analyze data from a population at a specific point in time. They are useful for identifying patterns and relationships within a population. Primarily a quantitative approach, involving statistical analysis of data collected at one time. Finally, we have mixed methods research, which combines both qualitative and quantitative approaches to provide a more comprehensive understanding of a research problem. This method integrates qualitative insights with quantitative data, enriching both the analysis and the findings. Psychological research methods are diverse, each offering different strengths and insights. Experimental research is essential for establishing causality, while descriptive and correlational methods offer detailed observations and identify relationships. Longitudinal and cross-sectional studies provide temporal insights, and mixed methods research combines the strengths of both approaches to offer a holistic view. No matter what type of research you pursue, remember, the more we seek, the more we learn.